What is a snowstorm? A severe weather condition with heavy snowfall. Which type of clouds are commonly associated with snowstorms? C. Nimbus clouds. What is the main cause of snowstorms? B. Low temperatures and moisture in the atmosphere. When is the snowstorm season in the Northern Hemisphere? B. Winter. What is a nor'easter? A type of snowstorm that affects the northeastern United States. What is a snow squall? A sudden, short-lived burst of snowfall with strong winds. Which instrument is used to measure snowfall accumulation? C. Snow gauge. What is the deadliest snowstorm in recorded history? C. The Iran blizzard of 1972. How do snowstorms affect transportation? B. They may cause road closures and flight cancellations.